not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you, and I'll uphold you with my righteous hand. With this said, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. So today I just wanted to come and share a story with you, something that happened that I encountered a few years back. I was just sitting at home minding my own business. I got a call from my friend and he was asking me, have you done your tax returns? I was shocked. I asked him, what are tax returns? Then he explained to me that this is the money that you get at the end of every tax season, which ends like, I think it's July. From July going onward, you can, like, from the 1st of July, you can apply for, like, your tax returns just to check if you have, like, any returns. So he quickly, like, told me to go to the SARS website and just gave me the prompts to say, this is where you go, register with your ID number. I did that, and then after registering with my ID number, he like assisted me to go through the prompts of like going through like doing my returns. So I did that, and right at when we were at the end, I was asked if I wanted to approve the auto calculations, yeah, right? And then I did that, and then to my surprise, you guys, I think SARS owed me like 10,000 rand, right, that year, which I like claimed back. So what had happened is that at work they gave us IRP5s, right? IRP5 forms. I never cared for them because I thought I had just started working, so I do not really need like an IRP5, like, so I didn't go and get mine. I just ignored it. And then so that was before the technology, now that there's COVID, everything is done, basically everything is done online, right? So after I had done that, then yeah, I basically waited for my money. So I just wanted to come and share this with you guys to say that if you're someone that doesn't do your returns, try to do your returns every year. You'll be surprised by the amount that SARS may owe you, right? So apparently having a medical aid, according to MoneyWeb and the SARS website, but MoneyWeb for me, I feel like simplifies it. Having a medical aid or a pension fund reduces your taxes, right? So if you have a medical aid, if you're part of a medical aid scheme that is registered and considered and recognized by SARS, by virtue of you contributing to it, you are eligible to getting like tax returns back. So what happens is that just before the end of the tax year, we get our IRP5s that stipulate all the certificates, right, that we have, your medical aids, and if you have investment, it will show all those things on that credit card. So on the IRP5, sorry. So I'm using about credit cards the way I hate them. So so after you collect your IRP5, you have to compare against your IRP5 and what the SARS website gives you to come up with a conclusion and really see if SARS made an error. Then you can quickly like just correct it, and also the medical certificate. With the medical certificate, it assists, many of us have medical aid schemes that are not really fully effective, in that at some point in time they lapse, right? Or at some point in time there are things that we have to do with our medical aids that we later find out that we are not able to use our medical aids for, right? So such as I remember I was with a friend of mine just like few months back, taking her son to the casualty, and they had said that the medical aid that she had does not cover casualty, right? So she has to pay for herself or for her son to be paid for. The condition is that he must be admitted. So like you will face occasions in life every now and then that even if you have a medical aid, you'll still need to pay up something. So those are the things that the medical aid certificate will show. And if you are liable, SARS will pay you back for the money that you have, for the money that you've spent on your own, that you've covered for your medical expenses. So yeah, that is it for me, guys. I hope that if you have never tried to file your returns with SARS, please do so. Just do your research today. Go to MoneyWeb, research about medical aid and pension fund tax returns, and yeah, go to the SARS website, see what you can do there, so that at least the next tax season you can also be able to claim your taxes back. Thank you so much for watching. Remember not to be dismayed, remember not to fear, for the Lord is always with you and he holds you with his right righteous hand. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, and